a one-on-one clash. I mean, ha! Woo! Cool! Using only Robbie! Idea what you just said. Me are coming true. The heroic thing you're going to... Right. Maybe it all was just a fluke. Yes! Sir?
Your own prediction.
There's no such thing as fortune telling.
Now Ace thinks he's some kind of hero. But when he finds out it's all a hoax, he's gonna do it. I just thought Ace wouldn't like me unless I did something amazing. But Val, Ace loves all his Scrammers, no matter what.
I must. You make all those predictions.
Me unless I...
Mrs. Henderson didn't climb that tree herself.
I may